Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch split 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, a macchiato magma gray MB text interior with a dark linden gray wood trim, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down 60/40 seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, parking assistance package with a surround view camera with front and rear sensors. Due to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns, our different parking cameras. This GLE has 18,508 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.